Today we're going to do little mini chicken pot pies, but we're not going to use pie crust. We're going to use biscuits. I mean, who don't like cream chicken over biscuits? So I've got about 2 chicken breasts split in half. I'm just going to use the pot I boiled it in, that way I can limit my dishes. This recipe is pretty simple. It ain't got a few ingredients. Thought it might be something fun. Plus, if they seal up good, they'd be good to carry with you. Okay, so we got our chicken cubed up. First seasoning is just salt, pepper, poultry seasoning, and some minced onion. We got about a cup of small cube potatoes cooked. Couldn't find any frozen peas and carrots, so we're using a small can of peas and carrots. Cream of chicken soup, that's it. Now we don't want this too runny, that way our biscuits aren't slimy, so we may have to add a little bit more chicken soup, but I don't think so. That looks pretty good. Now, for the hard part. We're going to take some butter flavored spray and spray our muffin pan. Open up one of these time bombs here. All right, so we're supposed to be able to stuff these down in the muffin tin. And have enough pushed up to be able to seal our pot pies. I'm going to try this 2 or 3 different ways and see what works out the best. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, we got enough filling left for one more. I figured I'd show you guys the best way I found to do this. I've tried several. It's not easier than a pie crust. And speed. So, fold all our ends in, pull our long flap over, and roll him a little bit to hold him down. So, yeah, the first ones I tried like them, they look like, yeah, who did that? I'm going to bake these, I guess, for about 25, 30 minutes. And once they stiffen up a little bit, I'll stab a hole in the top of them, the vent, and we'll go from there. All right, I've got these out of the oven. They only baked about 15 minutes or so. And they turned out cute as a button. I worked some more on the science project ones. They ain't all that pretty, but they'll eat. So, let's try one of these out. See how good our stuffing did. I don't believe you could have asked for no better. Those are a win. Most of them sealed up good too, so you could probably take them with you for lunch, hunting, fishing, whatever. But that's a complete meal wrapped up in a biscuit.